Hi everyone, we are getting close to the end of the week and we're on the last body system that we're going to be learning. The one we are not covering right now is the reproductive system. I know we want to learn about that. I'm still working on figuring out if I'm going to be able to do that with you guys virtually. But for now, we are going to focus on our last one, which is excretory system. That is also called the urinary system. So there are two different names you'll hear, either excretory or urinary. So you should already have written your name and your homeroom. We are on the please do now, and so I will read out loud to you. For the first question on the please do now. What is the purpose of the Mentary system, which is your hair, skin, and nails? A, protect the body, B, circulate materials, C, remove harmful gases, or D, create antibodies. Select your answer. Should have said A, protect the body. So in my video yesterday, we didn't really get to me going over this with you, so if you got it wrong, it's okay, but your skin protects everything inside. Your nails protect your fingers and your toes. Your hair serves for protection as well, the hair on your body. So the main job of all those things, believe it or not, is not just to look nice, but it is for protection. Let's read the next question. Pick two body systems we have learned about and explain how they work together. So I'll give you a quick example. I breathe in oxygen through my respiratory system, and then my circulatory system transports the oxygen through the blood to all the different parts of my body. So you can think about your nervous system, your digestive system, circulatory, respiratory, all these systems, and you are writing an answer in complete sentences. It might take you a little longer, so you should be typing. Say two systems that work together are blank because. You could just say the blank system and the blank system work together when they blank. If this is hard for you, that's okay. This is a high level kind of question to have to answer, but I feel like you guys will do a really good job. All right. I'm going to read you the next question. If you're not done, please click pause on this video. You can always do that so you can keep typing, but I'm going to move on. You're going to be learning about the excretory system today. This is also called the urinary system. Based on the name, think about that name, urinary. What do you think it does? Go ahead and type your answer. If you didn't finish the one before, make sure you're typing that. And do what you need to do to get these done using complete sentences. So I think the urinary system does blank. All right. If you are done, we're going to move on. If not, please pause me. But we are again on where it says we are moving on to section 3, excretory system, brain pop. So, like always, pause me. Please watch the brain pop and answer the questions, and then click play when you're ready to go over it. Go ahead. Okay, if you hear my voice, it means you've hit play because you've watched the brain pop video, you've learned a ton, and we are moving on. I'm going to read the questions out loud to you. The first one. Based on the video, what is the job of the excretory system/urinary system? A, to help blood flow throughout the body. B, to remove solid waste from the body. C, to remove liquid waste from the body. Or D, to pick up waste from all of the cells. Pick your answer. You should have already picked it before you hit play, but just in case you didn't, you should have said C, to remove liquid waste from the body. So solid waste is part of your digestive system. We talked about that. So your excretory system gets rid of that liquid waste that you pee out. Which of the following are parts of the urinary system? You should have already done this. We have bladder, stomach, kidneys, heart, and skin. You should have said your bladder and your kidneys, not your stomach. Your stomach's part of the digestive system. All right, we are moving on to section 4. We just have some kind of fun readings here. These aren't that intense. You kind of probably get the hang of what the system does, filters stuff from the blood, you pee it out. So we're gonna look at some fun reading. This is called, it just says excretory/urinary system reading and practice, and we're looking there until it says trivia. This is from Brain Pop, and it's just some extra facts, so I'm gonna read them to you. Trivia. Think you know your urinary system inside out? See if you've ever heard these little tidbits. The average adult produces 1.5 liters of urine every day. Looks like Brain Pop has an issue there. It should say more. About more than 150 liters of blood flow through an adult kidneys each day. 1/3. Ever notice that your pee smells after you eat asparagus? That stench comes from a chemical called methylmercaptan, produced when your body digests the vegetable. The next one. The heaviest kidney stone ever removed from a person weighed 356 grams, about 3/4 of a pound. Think kitty may have peed on the carpet? A black light can help you find out where. Cat urine glows under black lights. Fresh urine is completely free of germs, making it cleaner than your saliva or even the skin on your face. And last, every year, millions of tons of urea, the main waste product found in urine, are produced artificially for use as fertilizer. All right, we have a question, which is, which fact above is the most interesting to you? And then we have just like 2 more little readings that are just like kind of fun, interesting readings, nothing too intense or heavy in vocab. You're gonna do those readings on your own, and then you're gonna do the questions and the exit ticket, and you'll be done for today and ready for our Friday check-in tomorrow. Tomorrow's not gonna be a science lesson, just more of a little survey and check-in just to see where you're at. Give you a chance to give me some recipes, because I'm bored of what I'm cooking. All right, if you have any questions, come to office hours. If you want to chat, if you want to say hey. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day. I look forward to seeing your work, and get your friends to do their work too. Thank you.